everyone, my name is Kelly Roberts and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this fun product that I recently purchased from Amazon. This is the Craft Manor Watercolor Pearl Paint Set. So they're pearlized and metallic paints. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, I saw this set and I had to try it. I have another set and it's more like pastels, but I really like this one because they had stronger pigments. So I'm going to be kind of walking you through this with me because I'm still learning how to use this myself. But I wanted to show you some ideas of how I've used it, especially if you like doing fashion and beauty related art. And also this would be really pretty for florals as well. Here's what the colors look like. I hope you can see them. There you go. So you have 20 colors. And it came with this little card giving you some tips on how to use the product. So one of the tips that I think is important is when you're using it, just put a little bit of water in the color that you want to try, and then you're going to get your brush and you're going to kind of massage the water in so the pigments come up. Otherwise it'll be like a really light, faint version of the color, but the more you kind of brush it together, then you get more of the color. So I did that, and also I discovered that the more layers you do with this, the stronger the color gets. So this is kind of what they look like. And then here's some examples. I did this little fashion design, and see how you can see that yellow. I put yellow watercolor first, just a plain watercolor, and then I went over with the metallic gold, this one, on top. And it just adds an extra dimension to your artwork. And then on this one, I added the blue here. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, so these are just so beautiful, you all, and in person they even look more beautiful than this video can show. And then I did this face, and I added the blue to her blouse here so you can see it. I think if I did more layers of the blue, it would even be more dynamic. And then I added some to her eyes here, like an eyeshadow. And oh man, when I saw this last night after it completely dried, it was so pretty. I was like, oh my goodness. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. And on her lips too. So yeah, that's how I would use it. I would use this almost like eyeshadow palette and put it on my faces that I do. Put it on their eyes, their lips. And this would be really fun and something unique to try. So let me just give you a demonstration here with this little face here. So let's see. Let's put some purple on her eyes. So it would probably be it would probably be best to put like a layer of just regular watercolor down first, and then put your metallic on top. Because once you put your metallic on, you can't put your solid color back on top of it because then you'll lose the metallic shine. So I'm going to try this purple here and see how that looks. And so right now it just looks wet. It doesn't have the metallic appearance yet. So on the other eye, let's try a different color. Let's try this blue. See how I'm adding water with my brush, and then I'm kind of brushing it in to get the color to get thicker and richer. So let's try the blue here. Let's do another layer. And let's try some more of that purple. So check out the pictures at the end of the video and I'll show you how this looks once it's completely dry. You start to see the blue is starting to dry and it's starting to look electric. But it's Craft Manor Pearlized paint set. Watercolor, so fun you guys. So I just wanted to share it with you, and I'm going to be experimenting with it as I go along, and maybe down the road in some other videos you'll see this product included. But this was a lot of fun, and I hope you all are inspired and have a great day.